Hello, everyone. My name is Jamie. I am a consultant with Encryption Consulting. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use Encryption Consulting's code sign secure container image signing utility. To sign a container, you will need to have a certificate, a Docker account, and a container which you wish to sign. You will enter in the project name your code signing certificate, in the image name your target container with tag. You will enter your Docker username and password, and you will run the EC signer command. Then the image will be successfully signed. It is important to sign images and containers so that you can be sure that anything deployed on your system will be safe for you and your organization to use. CodeSign Secure's container image signing provides an easy and simple way to sign containers. Inside of our Kubernetes environment, we are now going to deploy our service container. As you can see here, it is successfully deployed. This will only happen because the service is correctly signed. This completes the tutorial for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any further questions or need code signing for your organization, please reach out to Encryption Consulting.